Welcome, here I've got WIKO View 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's focus on this settings bar and tap to the second from the left button. Here we get access to ratios of this camera. We are in 4 and 3. Let's tap to 1 and 1, and now as you can see the background has changed to the square one. Another tap to the second from the left button, and we can go also to the full aspect ratio. So now we can see that the background is in the full view, and of course when we pick this button once again we can go to whatever we need. Now let me go back to 4 and 3, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.